TD9 cooking show.
It'll probably only take a couple minutes.
Just set it and forget it.
And that's kind of come out, and you can split farther from there. You touch right at this finger state, the diaphragm's going to be there. There's this. That's separating the guts, basically from the heart and lungs. So all the guts come out, and I cut away that, and the heart and lung comes out, and we're going to get all that out. And then once right at the joint. That's like the joint. Separate from the both the hip and the shoulder. So this guy is really small. It's really small. It's mostly just a joint. I can put those through first, that way they get pushed through and get stuck in the grinder. You can make sausage at home too, with like this little hand grinder, you know those little ones? Like I have like 2 or 3 of them. I don't use it anymore because I got that. But
my parents hand ground all of my baby food. They didn't like ground meat, but it was better. Like a pound or so stuck in the grinder. Take some fat, put it in there, and use that fat to push out the last little bit. And when it's turning white, it's all mostly fat.
Make a nice size patty. Give them a little spanking.
One burger.
Smells delicious. Well done. Yeah guys, I thought I would do something a little different today and take you to the TD9 cooking show. I just wanted to show you a little bit around our shop here. All this pork comes from my farm. We cut up a full hog today. And let me take you guys back to the back room. This is where we keep all of our meat. I'll throw a picture in the end, and I'll show you guys why I don't like to use my AR15 on pork. And you guys can see why we don't use that when we're slaughtering at home. Here's some nice specimens. Sometimes I like to get, a little Rocky Balboa up in here. You know what I mean? Rocky Balboa. But here we go. Here's some nice, really, really big hogs. And here's the beef right here, guys. I just wanted to show you around my shop here on my ranch. And I'm here with Master Butcher Dan O'Toole, and he's also my best friend. And this is how we do it. The TD9 channel. Let me show you guys our finished product, Italian spicy sausage. It's great, guys. But thanks for tuning in. Let's see how the sausage is coming along. Oh yeah, if you guys could smell this. I mean, it doesn't get any fresher. I mean, we just chopped the hog yesterday morning, and here's our fresh sausage today. The farther one. That's yours. Okay guys, this is why we don't use our AR15 when we're slaughtering at home. We lost about 3 to 6 pounds just because the M855 ball was too strong going through the hog's head. So I recommend just using a 22.